Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we break down tech with real-world clarity. Today we're taking a deep dive into a dash cam that promises something most cameras don't even attempt: a full 360-degree view of your vehicle. This is the KEYROO 4K 4-channel dash cam, and after exploring everything it offers, it's clear this device aims to be an all-in-one protection system for your car. Let's start with the highlight feature: true 360-degree coverage. The R4 uses one 4K front camera and three additional 1080p cameras for the rear, left, and right sides. Combined, this setup eliminates almost every blind spot around your vehicle. Whether you're navigating tight parking lots, changing lanes, or monitoring passengers and surroundings, this system is built to capture everything happening around you. Moving on to connectivity, the R4 brings something unique to the table: 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi. Most dash cams rely on slower 2.4 GHz, which means long transfer times when you're pulling video to your phone. With the R4, you're getting up to 8 megabytes per second, making it feel noticeably faster when downloading clips or reviewing footage through the dedicated mobile app. And thanks to built-in GPS, your speed, route, and location data are recorded automatically. This comes in handy for incident reports, road trip logs, or simply keeping an accurate record of your drives. Night performance often separates good dash cams from great ones, and this model leans heavily into nighttime clarity. It uses an f1.6 aperture paired with WDR technology and infrared mode on the side cameras. That means the cam adjusts to low-light environments automatically, helping reveal details like license plates, street markings, and facial visibility even in dark parking lots or unlit roads. Before you even start recording, you already get something useful out of the box: a pre-installed 128GB memory card. No need to buy extra storage just to get the camera running. The included car charger even has an extra USB port, so you're not losing the ability to charge your phone or other accessories. Of course, protection doesn't end when the engine shuts off. When paired with the Type-C hardwire kit, the R4 activates 24-hour parking mode. Instead of recording at full frame rate non-stop, it switches to low frame rate monitoring. This means it continuously keeps watch for suspicious activity, bumps, or break-ins while preserving storage and battery efficiency. Plus, the built-in G sensor detects impacts and automatically locks important footage so it can't be overwritten. Loop recording ensures the camera never stops capturing due to a full memory card. It simply overwrites the oldest non-locked videos and keeps going. One-button locking is also available to manually save anything you feel might matter later. The camera's design includes 4 adjustable lenses that you can angle however your vehicle needs. Whether you're installing in a sedan, SUV, truck, or minivan, the flexibility makes setup straightforward. The package includes the main front unit, the rear camera, a car charger, and a user manual. Installation is designed to be simple enough for a DIY setup, and the brand provides lifetime support for any troubleshooting down the line. So who is this dash cam for? If you want more than just forward and rear protection, if you want a complete 360-degree visual record of everything happening around your vehicle, this is one of the few consumer dash cams offering that level of coverage. Add the faster Wi-Fi transfer, built-in GPS, better night vision, and parking surveillance, and the R4 becomes an appealing choice for drivers who take safety and documentation seriously. That wraps up today's review on Product Critique. If you want more breakdowns of innovative gadgets like this, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for the next deep dive.